Bitcoin trades below $25,000, Ether trades above $1,600. Litecoin network gets its first NFT after developer forks Bitcoin Ordinals. Hope Finance exploit results in $2 million stolen from users' funds. FTX Japan to resume crypto and fiat withdrawals on Feb 21st. Arbitrum-Based factor raised $4 million on first day of token offerings. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency markets have reversed their winning streak after FTX Japan, the Japanese subsidiary of the cryptocurrency exchange FTX, announced that the withdrawals of users' fiat currency and crypto assets would begin on the Liquid Japan web platform. Further, the fears of growing hostility between Russia and Ukraine following the surprise visit of US President Joe Biden triggered risk-aversion trade. Meanwhile, Bitcoin surpassed the key resistance level of $25,000, a level not seen since August 2022. This also led to profit-taking. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.4% at 34,888 points. Glassnode attributed the uptick in on-chain activity to the ordinal inscription craze this month. As reported by Bell Crypto, ordinals are NFTs that can be permanently stored inside one of the blockchain. They peaked last week with more than 140,000 ordinals inscribed on the Bitcoin network. However, positive momentum continues for Bitcoin despite US regulators cracking down on the crypto industry. Institutional crypto fund manager CoinShares reported that digital asset investment products saw a total outflow of around $32 million last week, the largest outflow of the year. The outflow comes in the presence of a massive crackdown on the digital asset industry in the US, which targeted everything from staking services to stablecoins to crypto custody, the analyst said. Meanwhile, crypto-focused hedge fund Galoy Capital has shut down after losing a sizable portion of its assets during FTX's collapse last year. Galoy told CoinDesk last November that the $40 million stuck on FTX amounted to around half of its funds. The FT reported earlier today that Galoy is selling its bankruptcy claims for 16 cents on the dollar. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization was trading at $1.13 trillion, increasing 1.2% in the last 24 hours. The total crypto market volume decreased by 2% to stand at $62 billion. With easing macroeconomic conditions and investors regaining confidence in the crypto industry, the market's most prominent cryptocurrency appears poised for bullish continuation in the coming weeks, the analyst said. STX, the native token of the Bitcoin Layer 2 Stacks network, is surging as the Ordinals protocol has unleashed a new narrative of NFTs and smart contracts on the Bitcoin blockchain. US stock futures fell following a week during which higher interest rates kept investor sentiment in check. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures dipped 111 points or 0.33%. S&P 500 futures also dipped 0.37% and Nasdaq 100 futures pulled back by 0.3%. US markets were closed Monday due to the President's Day holiday. Bitcoin was trading at $24,719, down by 0.7%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1.9%, trading at $1,680. BNB was down by 1.84% to trade at $313. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down by 4.6% and was trading at $25.1. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $20.1, down by 2.6%. The Indian game streaming platform Loco has teamed up with Avalanche Blockchain to create new kinds of fan experiences. Loco is joining the Avalanche Multiverse Incentive Program and is launching a subnet expanding Avalanche's growing footprint in Asia. It is building a suite of Web3 products that will bring fan experiences via the custom Avalanche subnet. Polygon-Matic was trading down by 5.4% to trade at $1.4. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was down by 3% to trade at $0.39. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 2.6% at $0.086. Shiba Inu was trading down by 3.4%. Next on the list, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.39, down by 0.5%. And last but not the least on the list, Polkadot was down by 3% to trade at $7.3.
Thank you, Vishaka, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Developers are forking Bitcoin Ordinals to give older proof-of-work networks such as Litecoin their first set of non-fungible tokens. Over the weekend, Bitcoin developer Anthony Guerrera forked the code behind Bitcoin Ordinals to the Litecoin blockchain, placing a copy of the latter's Mimblewimble upgrade white paper to the Litecoin network, making it the first NFT on Litecoin in effect. The effort likely stemmed from a public bounty of 15 Litecoin tokens by one crypto Twitter user to any developer who could fork Ordinals to the Litecoin blockchain. Meanwhile, Bitcoin Ordinals are proving to be fairly successful, despite initial creating drama amongst purist developers in the Bitcoin community. June Analytics data shows over 153,000 inscriptions, a term for unique tokens on Ordinals, have been created in just over 3 weeks after launch, with more than 5,000 created daily on average. Prospective users of an Arbitrum-based decentralized finance project have been left out of pocket following a $2 million exploit. Web3 security firm Certic flagged the incident on Feb 21st following an announcement from the Hope Finance Twitter account notifying users of the scam. Details of the project are difficult to come by. The platform's Twitter account was launched in January 2023 and outlined plans for an algorithmic stablecoin called Hope Token, which dynamically adjusts its supply relative to the price of Ether. Posts on the account alleged that a Nigerian national had executed the scam and transferred over $1.86 million to Tornado Cash shortly after the platform went live on Feb 20th. FTX Japan, the Japanese subsidiary of the collapsed crypto exchange FTX, will resume crypto and fiat withdrawals from Feb 21st. Withdrawals will be processed via the Liquid Japan web platform, it said in a company statement. FTX acquired Liquid in 2022. Customers with assets on the exchange will have to confirm their balance. Users without an account on Liquid Japan will need to open one to withdraw their assets, the company added. FTX Japan said that it had contacted all users with funds on the platform. The company said these users have been informed of the withdrawal procedure. FTX Japan urged users to be mindful that the process could be slow given the volume of pending requests. FTX Japan paused crypto and fiat withdrawals in November 2022 after the collapse of the FTX crypto exchange and its sister trading firm Alameda Research. The much-hyped launch of decentralized asset management platform Factor on Arbitrum's Camelot Launchpad has attracted over $4.3 million from traders in less than 12 hours after going live, with some expressing caution. Camelot is a suite of decentralized contracts built to support Arbitrum native builders, offering trading, initial coin issuance and lending services to users and developers. The initial coin offering for FCTR on Camelot started with a $10 million raise target for Factor, fixing a $0.1 floor price for FCTR, and has increased after the first $1 million was being raised. The tokens, which are currently non-tradable, are set to be in a price discovery phase as of Tuesday, where the token price will continuously increase at every purchase. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Loco, an Indian game streaming platform, has partnered with the Avalanche blockchain to create new types of fan experiences. Loco has joined the Avalanche Multiverse Incentive Program and launched a subnet, further expanding Avalanche's growing presence in Asia. Loco is developing a suite of Web3 products that will deliver fan experiences through the Avalanche subnet. Loco recently raised $42 million in Series A funding, the largest in Indian and Southeast Asian gaming history. Other gaming publishers that have collaborated with the platform include Krafton, Activision Blizzard, and Riot Games. Loco's Avalanche subnet and ongoing product campaign mark yet another new chapter in the story of Avalanche rapidly expanding in Asia. Recently, Chinese technology giant Alibaba and Japanese gaming trailblazer Gree each announced Avalanche initiatives. Avalanche was trading at $20.73, up 2.17% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $6 billion. The market is experiencing a sharp recovery as assets tied to L2s, hyped L1s, and those with exposure to Chinese investors are rallying massively given the cryptocurrency market recovery that began in January a second wind. The explosive performance of Polygon's Matter token has increased in value by 25%, and the rally has accelerated in recent days as a result of the excitement surrounding Layer 2 networks, which Polygon is actively developing. Users are increasingly turning to L2 solutions. Matic's price has risen from a low of $0.19 in December to around $0.52 today, with some predicting that the token will reach the $1 mark in the near future if the current rate of growth continues. The rise of Matic can be attributed to a variety of factors, including the network scalability, low transaction fees, and growing adoption in the NFT and DeFi spaces. Polygon was trading at $1.47, down 1.53% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $12 billion. The Solana network team confirmed that the Helium network would finally be migrating to Solana on March 27th, sending Sol and HND prices soaring. The confirmation came after Helium shared updates on the transition via a blog. In the blog, Helium described the migration to the Solana blockchain and deployment of oracles as the most significant upgrade to Helium, noting that it would greatly boost its scalability and reliability. After months of meticulous planning and technical development, the Helium Foundation is proud to formally propose March 27, 2023 as the migration date to the Solana blockchain as per the blog. Helium is a decentralized blockchain-powered network for the IoT devices. Hotspots, a combination of a wireless gateway and a blockchain mining device, act as its nodes, enabling users to mine and earn rewards in Helium's native HNT cryptocurrency token. Solana was trading at $25.98, down 1.70% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $9 billion.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.